Okay, so today, ladies and lentils, we got in a little electric skateboard cruise with the boys. So up here, contestant 1, Mr. Kamshaft. And number 2, Wee-Wombat.
Wee-Wombat. Alright, so this is a steep hill. I don't have the tires.
You wonder why your tires get worn out so quickly?
This is good. I'm shaving them down.
Zoom! I was about to get up behind them and just scare the shit out of them. Should we go past them sitting down?
Yes.
No pants for you, Liam. Wee-Wombat, I should say. I can't let his identity out. Are we stacking? Woohoo! Okay, now you and Liam gotta fight to the death again.
I lost my bag to the tree.
Nice one.
I want you to be cooking pretty good and get ready to tuck and roll because I'm going to give you a good one for the team, then I'll take one from the team. You gotta get fast.
Liam's gonna take one for the team and then Cam's gonna take one from the team. Oh shit. Cops. Cops are coming, Liam. Howdy. What if he just ran over Liam? I'm so ready for this. It looks so cool. You look like you're in an action movie.
That one didn't look like it wanted to go.
All these chunks of dirt were flying at me. I dare one of you to go full speed at the bush and just fly in there. See what happens.
I would do it, and I'll jump, but I'll turn around.
Okay. What are you?
The wrist that hurt.
Oh, the wrist. Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Feels like I'm back to square one. That was such a light fall too.
Like that little drift. Whoa. Okay, now I gotta catch him. Police, pull over!
Such a dingle dodge.
Nothing like the element of surprise, eh? How'd you do? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom.
Right check.
I was genuinely scared there. Nice little rollers. Oh, that looks so cool.